Don't follow my mock strategy. It may have worked for me, but it most certainly will not work for the majority of you. Let me tell you what do I mean. I had started giving CAT full-length mocks only from October. Yes, it's very late if you ask me, but there was a reason. Because I had only started preparing for CAT in June that year and I was working a full-time hectic job. So my biggest focus was to finish my syllabus first, which happened up till September last week. And so I started giving full-length mocks only from October. But I'm here to tell you a much better way to plan your mocks and to get the most of it. इस साल के CAT registration शुरू हो गए हैं. With less than 110 days to go for CAT 2024, I'm hoping most of you are always halfway through the syllabus. Your focus should always be on completing the syllabus first, as much of it as you can. Personally, I wouldn't recommend giving full-length mocks until you have finished at least 70 to 75% of the CAT syllabus. Syllabus का एक अच्छा खासा portion खत्म करने के बाद, the next biggest step is mocks. We'll start with a simple explanation. स्कूल में हर थोड़े दिन पे टेस्ट होते थे और फिर जाकर के फाइनल एग्जाम होता था. बिल्कुल उसी तरह आपको हर थोड़े दिन पे टेस्ट देते रहने होंगे ताकि आप ये समझ पाए कि कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो आप अच्छी तरह समझ पाए हैं और कौन से ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं जिसके हर क्वेश्चन आपसे गलत हो रहे हैं. मॉक्स आर लाइक दोस प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट्स that are made to give you a real life experience of the exam. More than anything, they help you understand how to manage your time in the exam, what is your strategy for attempting each section and how to manage your stress. आप जैसे जैसे मॉक्स देते जाओगे आपकी अपनी एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनती जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि आप किस सेक्शन के किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को पहले अटेम्प्ट करना चाहते हो या फिर आपके लिए कौन से टाइप के क्वेश्चंस इजी हैं compared to others. This will not only help you build a strategy for the final day but also help you to tackle unforeseen kind of anxiety situations in the exam. This is not a promotional video, but some of the good mocks that you can consider taking are IMS, CrackU and Career Launcher. Even Time is supposed to have good mock tests. Now, one by one, we'll cover all the points that you should keep in mind while giving mocks. As I mentioned in the starting of the video, many of you ask me, what is the best time to start giving mocks? Ideally, आपको September तक mocks देना शुरू कर देना चाहिए. It's the best time since you will have roughly 2.5 months to prepare your exam taking strategy for the actual CAT exam. तब तक आपको एक अच्छा आइडिया लग जाएगा अपने strengths और weaknesses का. What are the kind of questions that you are getting right most of the times and what are the kind of questions you are getting wrong most of the times. हर mock के साथ आपको multiple learnings मिलेंगी. If I were to give you a personal example, in the VARC section, I made it a point to attempt only 2 reading comprehension questions in the beginning. I then moved to the verbal ability and only if I had time left, I moved on to the other RCs in the section. This helped me because after reading 2 long passages, my mind wanted something else and the verbal ability questions were the perfect shift. इसी तरह से मैंने अपनी एक स्ट्रैटेजी LRDI सेक्शन के लिए भी बनाई थी और क्वांट सेक्शन के लिए भी. और ये स्ट्रैटेजीज आप तभी बना पाएंगे जब आप 8-10 फुल लेंथ मॉक्स दे चुके होंगे और आप ये एनालाइज कर चुके होंगे कि आपके लिए क्या काम कर रहा है और क्या नहीं. The second questions are around full length mocks and sectional mocks. सेक्शनल मॉक्स तो आप कभी भी देना शुरू कर सकते हैं, especially the sectional mocks for VARC and LRDI, क्योंकि इनमें कोई hard and fast syllabus नहीं होता है. You just have to solve all the kind of question you can find. I used to give sectional mocks जब मुझे कुछ नया सीखने का मन नहीं होता था and I wanted to revise what I had studied in a time constrained environment. Sectional mocks का एक और फायदा ये है कि हम बहाने बहुत बनाते हैं. अभी मेरे पास 2 घंटे नहीं है, मैं मॉक कैसे दूं? पर मोर ऑफन देन नॉट आपके पास 40 मिनट होंगे. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग एक्सक्यूजेस कि मेरे पास पूरे 2 घंटे नहीं है, give yourself 40 minutes to solve one sectional mock. From August-September onwards, आप हर हफ्ते 5-6 sectional mocks देने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. बट फुल लेंथ मॉक का एक एडवांटेज ये है कि उसमें आप ये भी सीखते हैं कि अगर पिछला सेक्शन अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो उसे दिमाग से हटाकर अगले सेक्शन पे कैसे फोकस करें. ये एक ऐसी स्किल है जिसकी आपको फाइनल एग्जाम डे पे बहुत जरूरत पड़ेगी. यहाँ पे एक चीज है जो मैं जरूर बोलना चाहूंगी. Don't take the mock scores very seriously, especially in the beginning. As I told you, the biggest reason why we give mocks is to simulate the time-pressured exam environment and not to judge ourselves. Especially don't judge yourself with your mock scores if you have not completed the entire syllabus. Look at it as just another form of practice. The next question is, how many mocks should you give? As for me, I had given roughly 40 sectional mocks and 12 to 15 full-length mocks. For some of you, it may be very low. But it worked for me. बिल्कुल उसी तरह आपको अपना ideal number खुद ढूंढना होगा. And it can vary on a lot of factors, like the time you have, if you're pursuing a parallel job or not, what is your study schedule like, what is your target score, and so many more things. But completing anywhere between 20 to 40 full-length mocks is amazing. September onwards, आप हर हफ्ते एक mock देने का target कर सकते हैं, which can increase to 2 mocks per week in October and even more in November. How should you analyze your mocks? Mocks तो आपने attempt कर लिए, but the core part is how to analyze them. What I meant by analyzing is to go and review the paper and see what went right and what went wrong. And if anything went wrong, why? There's a general saying कि अगर आपने 2 घंटे का मॉक दिया है तो आपको अगले 2 घंटे उसे एनालाइज करने में लगाना चाहिए. And the reason why people say that is because अगर आपने वो गलती डिटेल में एनालाइज नहीं की तो there are high chances कि आप अगले पेपर में वो सेम गलती करोगे. तो क्या फायदा हुआ वो मॉक देने का? The first step is to review the questions you marked correctly. आप एनालिसिस के दौरान ये देखिए कि आपने जो क्वेश्चन सही किए थे क्या उन्हें और इजी तरीके से और कम टाइम में किया जा सकता था, एंड मेक अ नोट ऑफ दोज स्ट्रेटजीज. द नेक्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज टू रिव्यू द क्वेश्चंस दैट यू मार्क्ड रॉन्गली. नाउ दिस इज द रियल डील. One strategy can be to solve all the questions that you got wrong in the mock without any time constraint and try to understand कि आपको वो क्वेश्चन आता नहीं था या आता था पर आप उसे टाइम प्रेशर में नहीं कर पाए. If you could not solve it because of the time pressure, then you need to find a way to do it in a shorter and easier way. And it will only get easier through more and more practice of such type of questions. This should also cover the kind of questions that you actually know but messed up because of a silly mistake or because of carelessness. The second biggest type of mistake is when we are solving questions related to the topics that we are either very weak at or we don't know the formulas related to them. इसका भी एक ही उपाय है, practice, practice and more practice. एक और गलती जो हम में से बहुत ज्यादा लोग करते हैं कि 2 मिनट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की कोशिश की, नहीं समझ आया तो तुरंत आंसर देख लिया. ये सही तरीका नहीं है because you are taking the easy way out. You have to stay with the question till you actually figure out how to solve it. You should only and only refer to the solution once you are sure that you have given this question your best. Try maintaining a notebook जिसमें आप हर वो क्वेश्चन नोट डाउन करते हैं जिसको सॉल्व करने में आपको बहुत एक्स्ट्रा टाइम लगा था और रिपीटेडली मॉक्स में आपको गलत कर रहे हैं. As CAT 2024 approaches, analyzing mocks can be your super weapon. As the real exam day approaches, skimming through the mock analysis notebooks that you've maintained can be your super weapon. By skimming through these notebooks later, you can maximize your accuracy in the exam. Now, let's get to the don'ts. Please, please, please do not assume that your mock score will determine your final CAT score. मैं ऐसे भी लोगों को जानती हूँ जिन्हें कभी भी मॉक में 80 परसेंटाइल से ज्यादा नहीं आया था, but they ended up scoring more than 98 percentile in their actual CAT exam. Also, mock scores fluctuate a lot. So don't tie your mock score to your self-esteem or to the level of your preparation. It's possible that you're doing everything right and still not doing well in the mocks. Do not get overwhelmed by the process. There are no fixed number of mocks that you should give. The 20 to 40 mocks that I said in this video is only for directional purposes. It is absolutely okay if you're able to give fewer mocks. Don't beat yourself about that. Another thing that you can keep in mind is not to give mocks in the final week before the CAT exam, as it can negatively impact your morale and confidence. The last week is about staying calm and trusting in the entire preparation that you've done. Don't bring your previous mock score into the current mock that you are giving. अगर पिछले mock में 70 percentile आया था तो जरूरी नहीं कि इस mock में भी उतना ही आएगा. Start every mock with a fresh perspective. Remember, success is a result of multiple failures, and you can make your failures in the mocks a stepping stone to your success towards CAT. Do not compare your mock scores with others. ऐसा बहुत बार होगा कि mocks में आपके दोस्तों को आपसे बेहतर मार्क्स आएंगे, which is completely okay. Maybe they are at a different level of preparation, or it just wasn't your day. This is an individual journey and you should not be affected by other people's scores. CAT में 80 से 99 percentile का रास्ता आप सिर्फ mocks के थ्रू ही पार कर सकते हैं. So start as soon as you can. This is all that I had for you in this video. Let me know in the comment section what's the best mock attempting tip that you have received. Also, drop your questions related to mocks in the comment section. I'll try and answer them for you. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful, because I'm going to be spilling a lot of tea related to CAT and MBA in the coming videos.